Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today we're continuing our crock pot recipes and I decided to change it up and make you dessert. I'm going to show you how to make peach cobbler with a crumb cake topping in the crock pot. It's going to be so good and we're going to top it off with ice cream. Let's get to the kitchen. For this recipe, you will need 2 cans of peach pie filling, 1 stick of melted butter, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a box of white cake mix. This crock pot recipe takes about 3 hours, so you want to get a head start before dinner. I'll be sure to put the recipe in the description below. To start, I wanted to show you this awesome liner that I have. The liner makes for an easy cleanup, and you know I'm all about that. Now that we have our liner in, we are going to open our cans of peach pie filling. Yep, we're gonna do it, and we're just gonna. They don't want to come out.
Give me my strong muscles.
No, I got it. Oh! Round 2. See if this one does any easier. I think I get why it's got different names for this recipe. Like dump cake. All right, that was easy. So get a good shot of that. And you know, we taste test, so it's so good.
Stop.
To make the topping of our peach crumble cake, we're going to take 1 box of white cake mix, and we will add our 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and our 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We'll add on our attachment, and we'll let that go for just a few minutes to combine. Oh, we didn't lock ourselves in. Okay, we're good, we're good. All right, while that's going, we're going to slowly pour in our melted butter. Man, oh man, is this gonna be good. We're gonna let that just combine. That's good. So this makes our crumbled cake topping. And it's gonna make it so sweet and so delicious, and 3 hours needs to hurry on up. Now that our topping mixture is combined, again, it's white cake mix, cinnamon, nutmeg, and melted butter. We're just gonna go ahead and get a little messy, use our hands, and sprinkle it all over the top. Final step before we start cooking is to take a paper towel, place it on top of the crock pot, and then add our lid. The purpose of this is for the paper towel to capture any moisture that comes up, because we want the top of the crumble cake to be as crisp as possible. So here we go to hit start. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set this on high for 3 hours. All right, now we wait. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Our peach cobbler crumb cake has been cooking on high for 3 hours. I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Just to recap, what we've done is we've taken 2 cans of peach pie filling and put it in the bottom of the crock pot. Then we took our white cake mix, nutmeg, cinnamon, and melted butter and mixed that all together and poured it on top. And it's been cooking for 3 hours, so let's see how it looks. Just a reminder, we put the paper towel on top to capture the moisture, and it's definitely done a good job. It is very wet. Woo-wee! Look, it's all bubbly and crumb coating and this is awesome. Time to serve it up. My goodness. Look at it, it's still bubbling. Oh man. This is gonna be so good. And I'm really glad we have the liner because I have a feeling it's gonna leave a good mess behind.
Saves you on cleanup, right?
It sure does.
Actually, I do the dishes around here, so.
I believe that. Okay, now we'll put some ice cream on top. To make it pretty and tasty, we're gonna add some extra cinnamon on top. There we go. All right, let's give it a taste. Got some peaches, got some ice cream. Has the crumb on top. My mouth is watering. I can't even talk. My mouth is open. Those peaches are good. I taste the cinnamon, a hint of nutmeg. The crumb topping is good. Okay, it's just all good. Whew, this is great. Perfect for a summer night.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I love that this was cooking while we were eating dinner and cleaning up and spending time with the family. I can't wait for my family to try it too.
I can't wait to try this. Cold ice cream. And taste some cinnamon. And it's all glued together by heat. Ugh. I love it.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. What's your favorite crock-pot recipe? Put it in the comment below. It's going to be peach cobbler with a
Cake, something, crust.
Good. Now the lid's on top, what's this? What this is gonna do is this is gonna trap. What this is gonna do, the paper towel is going to, I don't know what it's gonna do.